Pope Leo XIV's reported $33,000 monthly income has raised eyebrows. That's a lot of holy water. This hefty sum totaling $396,000 annually could potentially land him with a six-figure tax bill. But hold your horses, folks. Tax law is rarely straightforward, especially when you're dealing with the head of the Catholic Church. Before we jump to conclusions about the Pope's potential tax liability, we need to consider a few key factors. Just like your average Joe, the Pope's tax bill isn't solely determined by his gross income. There's a whole lot more to it than meets the eye. Let's break down the basics of income tax calculation. First, we look at the individual's annual income. This includes wages, salaries, investment income, and any other taxable earnings. Next, we factor in deductions and credits, which can significantly reduce the taxable income amount. Deductions are expenses that can be subtracted from gross income, while credits directly reduce the tax liability. After applying deductions and credits, we arrive at the taxable income. The tax liability is then calculated based on the applicable tax brackets, which vary depending on the individual's filing status and income level. Now let's consider the Pope's unique circumstances. His residency status plays a crucial role in determining his tax obligations. Is he considered a U.S. citizen, a resident alien, or a non-resident alien for tax purposes? The answer to this question significantly impacts his tax liability. Furthermore, we need to examine potential tax treaties between the United States and the Vatican. Tax treaties are agreements between countries that aim to prevent double taxation and provide exemptions for certain types of income. The existence and terms of such a treaty could significantly impact the Pope's tax obligations in the United States. Finally, let's explore potential deductions and credits that might apply to the Pope's situation. Charitable contributions, business expenses, and certain personal exemptions could potentially reduce his taxable income. However, without access to the Pope's detailed financial information, it's impossible to determine the specific deductions and credits he might be eligible for. In conclusion, while the Pope's $33,000 monthly income seems substantial, it's premature to speculate about a six-figure tax bill without considering the complexities of his situation. Residency status, tax treaties, deductions, and credits all play a significant role in determining his final tax liability. Until we have a clearer picture of these factors, the Pope's tax bill remains a holy mystery.